Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
Hi! So in today's video, I am doing another wig review for you guys. This one is provided by Friday Night Hair, of course. It is a Friday Night Hair unit. Now, I was really excited to try this unit, I think for obvious reasons. So it is a braided unit. Let's go ahead and tell you what it's called first. This is the GLS01 in the color 1B. I don't think it comes in any other colors. Then of course they just have the standard Friday Night Hair card on it. I want to say that this unit is about 16 inches. So it has 3 combs and adjustable straps. A comb here, here, and one in the back, of course with the adjustable straps. The lace is about maybe 2 inches deep. Actually, just go ahead and watch how I played around with the hair when I first got it, and I'll get back with you. Okay, so this is how the hair came when I first got it, and that's just kind of what the hair looked like when I took it out of the bag. So I went ahead and took off the nets. So I noticed that it was sort of only braided at the top half of the wig, and the rest of the wig up under it was that crinkled texture, or that crimp texture, sort of like a wet and wavy type of look. Which, you know, I wasn't mad at. When I seen it, I was like, okay. I'm thinking, you know, Beyonce, can you pay my bills, or do you pay, you know what I'm saying, like that old Destiny's Child, how she used to wear her hair then. That's immediately what I thought of. So I tried to, you know, slick it back like right there. I was like, you know, thinking how that would look, and you know, it was cute, but I can't really see myself wearing it like that. So I went ahead and tried to play with the sort of parting space, but I wouldn't really say that this wig has parting space. It is a lace front wig. I do think that I cut off some lace, but it definitely doesn't really have much of a part. Obviously, you know, because it's braids in the front, it's just sort of, you know, do whatever with it. But it wasn't really like a grid of braids. They were definitely braids that were kind of like in windows, so they were filling in the spaces in between. But the unit definitely isn't braided all the way through. The braids stop maybe a little past where a lace frontal, like a 13x4 frontal, would end. So it isn't a fully braided unit all the way through 100%. It is just about half of the unit. I do believe that it came with about 3 or 4 combs, and it came with adjustable straps as well. I do think that later on, I don't know if I recorded it or not, but I did have to glue down one side of the wig just because it kept like lifting up. So I mean, if you don't want to use glue, you could always try and sew on a stretchy band just to tighten it down and lay it down on your head a little bit more if you don't want to use glue. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the styling session. Back to the review. As far as the hair, like the unit, how I'm feeling about it, I really like this unit. I think it's really cute. It's definitely giving me those early 2000s, late 90s vibes. But yeah, it's definitely giving me those vibes. I think it's really cute. Obviously, you know, it starts out as a braid from the root, and then it goes and turns into like a crinkled wave. So let's see, tangling, I actually have not ran my fingers through the wave pattern of this hair because I didn't want to. I didn't want it to get frizzy or puffy or anything. I wanted it to lay like how it is now, and sort of these like really chill laid down crinkles. I just kind of wanted that. Like I want this ponytail to be a little bit higher, but I'll fix that later. So yeah, I haven't really ran my fingers through it to test the tangling just because I don't want to mess with the curls. Shedding, not getting much shedding right now. I do feel like a little later on down the line though, I'll start getting some shedding. The density of the wig, it's pretty full, you know. Of course they have the top half which is like full of the braids, and then the bottom half, it still has a very good density to it. It's not thin whatsoever. It isn't super hot either, which is pretty good because the hair itself is kind of thin, but the way that the wig was made, like the construction, they filled it very full in my opinion. I don't think, you know, it's super thick or anything, like I said, because it's not like on my neck. Like I don't feel it here, which is really, really good because I told y'all I get hot easily. So I'm really thinking that this is gonna be a really good spring/summer unit, especially summer. Who doesn't love braids in the summer anyway? Feeling that, you know. I'm really liking it. I think that it's very, very, very freaking cute. I'm seeing myself wearing this a lot actually, because I've wanted to try some like braids and box braids for a while, but obviously, you know, with me doing YouTube and then also the fact that I just like to change my hair up a lot, I feel like I would waste money getting box braids when I like to wear wigs or like switch up my wigs to like match my outfits and stuff. Although, you know, box braids go with anything, like literally anything. But again, I do YouTube, so I kind of get a lot of hair sent in towards me and I have to try them all. So, and this was a very good unit that I'm very excited to try, or I am trying it right now. I'm loving it. I freaking think that it's so cute. I mean, I think, of course, y'all probably like, girl, that hairline, like, come on now. I don't really have much baby hairs to pull out. So, of course, if you yourself have, you know, some baby hairs that can, you know, be styled, then, you know, that's good for you. I can't relate. My baby hairs don't like to, you know, act right with me, so they like to give me a hard time. So I can't really do much with baby hairs, but I feel like it doesn't really look that bad either. I mean, I could probably pull it back some and then allow my edges, like my edges itself, to come out. But y'all let me know. Tell us what's up. Let me know, you know, say, you know, Sade, we love you. But pull them edges out a little bit, sis. Like, you know, let me know. And yeah. That's pretty much it though. Just make sure y'all check out Friday Night Unit. I'll link some of the reviews to some of the past Friday Night Units that I've had in the past. And yeah, let me know if y'all want me to do a versatility showcase on this. Because I mean, you know, I definitely could. I'm not going to right now, but I definitely could, because you know, it is a little bit different than some of the other versatility, like the wigs that I've showcased in the versatility showcases. It's completely different, so I definitely could. Okay, let me know, comment down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you can see when my videos are uploaded. YouTube's playing games, so yeah. And that is pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.